Word number 1 is harass. An example would be harass the homeowners. In this sense, we're saying something like hostigar a los dueños de casa. Number 2. Refuse. If someone refuses to move, I refuse to move, me rehuso a moverme. Number 3, across. Across the internet. We'd say a través del internet. Number 4, to quell something would be something like quell the protest. Sofocar la manifestación. Number 5, a targeted attack. It was a targeted attack. Fue un ataque dirigido. Number 6, accuracy. Work, well, let's see. An example would be accuracy of the tests. La precisión de la prueba o el examen. Number 7, approachable. If a person is said to be approachable, la persona es accesible. Number 8, role. What was your role? ¿Cuál fue tu papel? Number 9, grieve. Today, they grieve. Hoy están de luto. Number 10, blaring. Blaring thunder. We would say something like el relámpago estridente, or un estridente relámpago. And that is 10 for 10.